Downsized turbos and high RPM performance. Modern BMWs promise accelerating driving. But in the world of automotive forensics, a failed rod bearing is a $12,000 autopsy report. Look at this microscopic debris. It's not a defect. It's the result of systemic neglect. Today, we perform a forensic audit on the evidence hidden inside the S85 V10 and N54 for inline 6, exposing the failure pathways that turn your ultimate driving machine into a paperweight. Stay investigative, because the financial solution is a $0 habit that stops the destruction. The rod bearing is the Achilles heel of high-performance BMWs, particularly M engines like the S85 and S65. They spend it over 8,000 RPM, but their oil flow relies on precision that often fails. A single moment of starvation under load turns these critical components into melted catastrophic evidence. Dealership technical service bulletins are often silent on this crisis until the warranty expires, forcing owners into catastrophic financial loss. Point 1. Microscopic debris micrograph. We analyze the early warning signatures caught on your oil filter fibers. Microscopic particles of copper, lead, and aluminum glistening in this dark oil are the forensic fingerprint of impending doom. Ignoring these signatures ensures total engine seizure. Point 2. Certified oil analysis on it. The forensic evidence comes directly from specialized oil analysis reports, like Blackstone Labs. Elevated wear metal counts in these independent tests are the definitive early warning standard of fail stamp on your financial future if not addressed proactively. Point 3. 1500 F thermal heat soak point. At extreme temperatures, operational conventional oil completely fails. This thermal image shows sustained high RPM driving, the condition that breaks the oil film in milliseconds. If you cut the oil flow now, it is instant mechanical suicide. Point 4. Catastrophic crankshaft journal score. Look at this group in the crankshaft. When the rod bearing seizes, it digs deep into the journal, requiring a total engine overhaul or, more frequently, a complete $12,000 replacement. This is the financial point of no return. Point 5. The 8 critical failure points. Our forensic audit connects these distinct engineering paths to one source: operational neglect and poor maintenance standards. We are now halfway through the evidence pathway leading to total catastrophic destruction. Point 6. Debris containment failure test. Debris from the first failing bearing travels through the engine, clogging the final line of defense, the engine oil filter. A collapsed filter, black with sludge and metal debris, ensures cascading failure signature and total engine starvation. Point 7. Cascading repair cost audit. A regular oil analysis every 3,000 miles costs $100. Neglecting the early debris signatures and waiting for a seizure costs $12,000. The ultimate financial protection is aggressive preventative maintenance and forensic monitoring. Point 8. Forensic B6 maintenance standard. Practice precise oil weight protocols, aggressive filter changes, and regular oil analysis. This is your ultimate defense against high-performance engineering traps. Guard your engine like a forensic asset. The BMW Rod Bearing Crisis is an engineered failure pathway, but it is not inevitable. Your only defense is forensic awareness. The ultimate solution? Aggressive preventative maintenance. Use only high-intent synthetic oil of precise weight. Change filters at 3,000 miles. Gradually warm up and never hit boost before oil is hot. Guard your engine, preserve your asset. And thank you for watching AutoSight-G.